So I've got here an AboveTEK mobile tablet slash phone holder. Open this up. These are the clamps. There's 3 different sizes. Very basic. Not a lot into this product. This is your actual clamp holder. This is the clamp for the table or whatever you're trying to secure it to. The neck, and then these you just twist on. There you go. Slide that into the little the end, and then that just pops in there. Then you just screw that on and it'll hold it. So I'll go ahead and put it together. I'll attach it to an iPad, and you can see how it looks. So here's the clamp and how it attaches to a table. This table's angled, but it has little rubber pieces underneath so it doesn't scratch your table. And then the gooseneck, the attachment on the back, and then that's the expanded part. So this is how it looks. It's a fairly long piece. So if you're looking for something for a very small space, it probably wouldn't work very well just because of how large it is. Let's see if I can bring this down at all. It's probably about as low as you're gonna get it, right about there. It's about the height of the standard sized iPad. This one's an older iPad, so it's a little bit heavier, but it does hold it. So it is fairly durable, pretty strong. I might find this a little bit tough to move around, but that just goes to just show how much it actually is able to hold. So it's pretty heavy duty for heavier iPads or screens.